Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can do age verifications on Roblox. Let's say you want to unlock voice chat, age restricted experience, or new Roblox features. Then you'll need to complete the age verifications on Roblox. And here I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So before we start, you need to make sure that you have a Roblox account, a valid government issued ID, like maybe passport or ID card, a phone or device with a camera. So once you're ready, you can just start. So first you need to log into your Roblox account and then head into settings. And then you can just open the account info. And if you haven't verified your age, you'll see the options to verify my age. And after that, you can just click on it. So I've already verified it. So it will be, as you guys can see, say it, check, and also verified. So Roblox will ask you to scan your ID and take a quick selfie once you want to verify your age. You need to make sure that your ID is clear and also readable. You can just follow the on-screen instruction carefully and take the selfie in good lighting. So this process usually takes a few minutes. And once it's done, you'll see a confirmation saying your age is verified, like I do in here. And you can now access age restricted features like voice chat if available in your region. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.